Hello all, I'm back with another trade setup video. Check my description to see my disclaimer. All of these are trade setups that I am looking into for myself, but this is by no means financial advice or advice to take these trades. It's just talking through some of the charting that I'm doing. So with that said, let's go ahead and dive in. So typically I try to get these out on Sundays so you can see things that are setups for the entire week. I actually did this charting based off of the end of the trading day today, and it is Tuesday, June 22nd. So these trades are setups for the next 2 days, Wednesday and Thursday. So let's go ahead and dive in. So over here I have the 15-minute, in the middle I have the day, and right here I have the week. So this is just to see, what we did for these past 2 days. So we broke out to 2 price targets on Monday, and today we traded inside. So we had a big 2 up, 2-2 reversal yesterday, and today we had an inside day. So what we'd look to do is to do a 2-1-2 bullish continuation. So I have my alert here, which is crossing the high of today, which would give us a 2 up. And then I also have an alert here, and I actually don't know why I have that alert, so let me delete that one. But the other alert I want to keep is this one, which we'd have a 2-2 reversal on the weekly if we hit this target. So looking to go to 2-1-2 bullish continuation on BA. Next up is TSM. So TSM, past 2 days, let's see what we did here. So not much on Monday, but today we hit 1 price target here on the 15-minute. And then on the day, we had a 2 down, but it ended up green. So that was a conflicting 2 down. And then on the week, we're forming, we also had a 2 down from the previous week. But again, we're getting this hammer-like formation, so a lot of price rejection to the downside. So I have an alert here. If we cross today's high, that'll be a 2-2 reversal to the upside. And then I also have an alert. I'm going to delete this one, but I also have an alert here, which would give us a 2 continuation bullish if we reach that. But really, I'm just looking to reverse on this on the daily here, not the weekly. So that is TSM. Moving on to pins, we have an inside week here, but we are very close to going 2 up with this alert here, and then on that is this alert here. And then if we had a 2-2 reversal today, so there it ended up hitting no price targets, but broke out of the orb strategy for a bit. You can see the bodies of the candles were pretty close. So we had a 2-2 reversal to the downside, and we had a 2-2 reversal to the upside today. So I have my alert here. If we hit the high again, we will have a 2-2 bullish continuation. Moving on to Ulta. So Ulta, we have an inside week right now, but we will break that inside week if we cross 338.86, and we're at 335.67. And we had a 2 up day. So I have essentially going 2 up on the day again would give us an early entry to potentially going to 2-2 reversal on the week. So that's what I'm looking to do here. I'm actually going to move this up because I want to look at that pretty early in the day. So yeah, if we cross the high of today, which is 338.21, and I have my alert at 338.18, that'll be an early entry for going 2 up on the week. So, and there's a lot of, upside here with previous price targets. So that is Ulta. Next up, I don't know if I talked about pins. I did. Next up is Chegg. So we had an inside day, and we have a 2 up week already. So what I'm looking to do here is to go 3-1-2, so a Chicago bullish reversal to the upside. And we get that if we cross 81.28, and we're at 81.09. So I have that alert set to play that trade as well. And in terms of strike, I will very likely take targets. So in this case, 84.19 would be a good one. But I also might just take the, my target off of the orb strategy, which again plots the high and the low of the price the stock traded at in the first 30 minutes of the day, and then creates two price targets to the upside and the downside based on that opening range. So I might just take the opening range targets, whatever those are, tomorrow if we do in fact create a 3-1-2 bullish reversal here. Next up is overstock. So this is 2 down on the week, but with a lot of price rejection here, so building up a hammer-like situation here. And on the day, we had an outside day, which, is a broadening formation. We hit two price targets, as you can see on the 15-minute here. So I'm looking to do a reversal to the upside by crossing the high of today, which would be at 85.75. Oh, wait, the high, 87.77. And the high of the day was 87.77. So I have that set exactly there. And then I also have, I'm not sure why I have this one set, so I'm just going to delete this, probably from some previous charting. So yeah, that's what we're looking at for overstock. Moving on to DraftKings. So DraftKings did a 2-2 reversal to the upside today on the daily, but we do still have an inside week. So I have the price target here. I'm going to move that up to give us alert if we cross over the high of yesterday. And then additionally, I have a price target set at the previous candle of last week. Because if we do that, we'll have a 2-2 reversal to the upside. And I do already have some price targets plotted here. But I likely would be setting my targets based on the orb strategy. And with this 2-up day, we did hit 2 of our price targets with the orb strategy. And then the last trade setup I will speak to today is Square. So we are in an inside week with Square, but pretty close to hitting 2-up continuation, bullish continuation. We had a 2-2 reversal to the upside today. And I have my alert at 236.40. Our high today was 236.28, so I'm actually going to get a little more precise and move that alert down. Okay, and we're at 235.97, so the high of the day was 236.28. I'm looking to cross that to get a 2-2 bullish continuation. And then we have a 2-2 continuation on the weekly that would be triggered at 240.31. And yeah, that's 231.45. Is that the high? So yeah, if we cross over that, we'll get 2-up on the week. And if we cross over this alert, we'll get 2-up on the day. So that is it for charting. I have a bunch of other stuff down here, but these were the ones I was most excited to look at. And I will see you tomorrow with another Trade Journal walkthrough for Wednesday, June 23rd. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments. And as always, please like and subscribe. Thank you.